Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a toaster that promises style and functionality. The Cuisinart CPT-180 slice classic metal toaster. Let's see if this toaster lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design. The Cuisinart CPT-180 sports a sleek retro-style stainless steel body with some cool front-side color accents. It's not just good-looking, it's also practical, fitting nicely on your countertop without taking up too much space. The dimensions are compact, which is great for kitchens of all sizes. One of the standout features of this toaster is its dual control system. Essentially, it operates as two toasters in one, allowing you to set different shade preferences for each pair of slices. This is fantastic if you have different preferences in your household. Moving on to performance, the Cuisinart CPT-180 does a solid job. It offers 6 shade settings, from light to dark, ensuring your toast comes out just the way you like it. During our tests, it toasted bread evenly and consistently, though we noticed a slight variation in browning between sides on occasion. It's not just about toast here. The toaster comes with handy functions like bagel, defrost, reheat, and cancel. The bagel setting, for instance, warms the outer side and toasts the inner side of the bagel perfectly. Ease of use is another strong point. The toaster features intuitive controls with glowing indicators for selected functions. The lever mechanism allows easy insertion and removal of toast without risking burnt fingers. When it comes to cleaning, the Cuisinart CPT-180 is a breeze. It has removable crumb trays for each toasting module, making it easy to keep clean and maintain. In terms of safety, the toaster performs well, though we noted that the exterior can get quite warm during operation. It's worth being cautious around it, especially if you have curious little ones in the kitchen. Wrapping up, the Cuisinart CPT-180 slice classic metal toaster impresses with its blend of style, performance, and functionality. If you're in the market for a toaster that combines retro charm with modern features and can handle different toast preferences simultaneously, this one's worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Drop your comments below on what you think about this toaster or if there's anything else you'd like us to review. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.